Canon screen turn green all of a sudden? It looks scary, but in most cases, it's not a major problem. With a few quick steps, you can bring your display back to normal. And in this video, I'll show you how to fix the green screen issue on your Canon camera. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check your white balance. First, turn on your camera, and after that, press the WB button. Now make sure to select AWB. AWB stands for Auto White Balance. Solution 2. Reset camera settings. Turn on your camera, now press the menu button. Next, go to the wrench icon using the arrow button. Here you will get 4 wrench icons. You need to go to the 4th wrench icon. Here you will find the Clear Settings option. Tap on it, then select Clear All Camera Settings. Next, click the Set button, then select OK, and then click the Set button to confirm it. Wait for a while and it's cleared everything. Now switch off your camera and then switch back on again and see whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 3. Enable Auto Sensor. Turn on your camera, and after that, press the menu button. Then go to the wrench 3-dot tab from the top. Now here you will see the sensor cleaning option. Scroll down, select the option, press the Set button. Here you will get 3 more options, like Auto Cleaning, Clean Now, and Clean Manually. To enable the Auto Cleaning option, select it, then press the Set button. Now select Enable and then press the Set button to confirm it. And that's all. Hope your issue is solved by now. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks a bunch for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay tuned and take care.